first in a series of documentation videos. Very quickly, this up here is the test unit for the red Athena. It's just a very simple driver board set up. It's a breadboarded replica of the miniaturized circuit board. This one is fan cooled, so I can run it long term, and in fact I have been running this thing for almost 2 weeks now. It'll be 2 weeks today or tomorrow, something like that, continuously at full power, 1/4 watt. There's the dot up there. Lighting in here is a fluorescent pair of fluorescent tubes up in there. Actually, I think it's 2 and 2 dead ones, or maybe 1 dead one. Anyway, it's probably about, I don't know, I'm probably cruising around 60 watts of light in here. Much more diffuse in the dining room, obviously, because that's kitchen lighting. But for effect, why not? There's kitchen lights too. This is probably approximating about 120 watts of light. So there's your, oh hey, and you probably want to see the beam in the dark. There you go, you can see it lighting up the dust particles there. Typical environment. Most environments, household environments you would be in, would show that kind of dust level and darkness. Typical. Okay, anyway, well, yeah, unless you have filtered your air conditioner, which you could do. And it would make all kinds of difference with your allergies. Now, that is the red, obviously. This here is the new blue. I put a little tab kind of heat sink on the end there to keep it from self-destructing, because it gets hot really fast. Even at 1/3 watt, it warms up really quickly. Runs off a lithium-ion camera battery, and other than that, it's the same as in Athena red, no different. Not supposed to be on there. Okay, now I'm going to show you threshold power first. Let's see here. Okay. See it very faintly there? That is, I would say, less than a milliwatt. In that mode, it's barely really a glorified LED. Turning up and up, threshold, you can tell it clicks into place. You see that? By click into place, I mean there's a sudden change in brightness, and the quality of the light changes markedly too. It's very clearly blazing at that point. What you're looking at is approximately, I would say, 10 milliwatts of power, give or take. Not even touching it. You want to see it all the way up? Yes, you do. And mind you, that is blue light. A little hard to tell, but get them close together and you can see the color difference. So 10 milliwatt, probably 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm figuring that it's maxing around 200 milliwatts. I don't know, but I'm going based on how it looks. Maybe it's a lot more than that. Should be anyway. It should be closer to 1/3 watt, and that's out of focus. So that's closer focus there. God, look how much brighter it looks on the camera. That's impressive. In the dark, look at that. God damn, the thing's a performer. Let me see if I can show you the beam. This thing stands out like mad crazy. The beam is fierce on it. I can see it side on in this lighting. At night, it's extremely intense. It's a very visible, very heavy, velvety, bluish purple line streaking up into the sky. It's garish. You can't fire one of these up into the sky at full power at night without being noticed. And I mean noticed for like all around. People would see it everywhere. Okay, well that's step one. There will be some outdoor testing today, burn testing, you name it, I'm going to do it. So let's get at it.